Hi guys, interesting couple of days. Had fantastic week last week, sales wise, really smashed it. Everybody happy, apart from build team, hey, whatever. Decided to go out last night. It was a beautiful night, very, very calm, no wind. Took the drone. Big mistake. I'd updated apps or whatever, and bloody thing flew away. It has crashed into the sea, never to be seen again. To say that I'm pissed off is understatement. I'm really angry because there was no need for the firmware or the app to do what it did. It just didn't let me control the thing. I really don't understand what happened there, but unhappy. Hi guys, come back down here to the harbour this afternoon. It's where the drone flew away from me last night. It's in the water somewhere behind me, just don't know where. Still have no idea why it happened. I'm really still pissed off. Yeah, somewhere out there is my drone. Don't think this is the search party. It would be nice if it was, but I doubt it. On the harbour wall. I'm going to zoom in and see if I can get anything through there. Honestly feel like packing this all in. I feel really, really pissed off. The whole fucking thing. Yep, still at Newquay harbour, still looking for the drone that went missing last night. It's getting to low tide, but it's not there yet. I think if it's gone forever, I don't think I'll ever buy another Mavic Mini, purely because I've had too many troubles. It doesn't fly in high enough winds, it's just so unstable. Great little thing, perfect for some uses, but I'm afraid that it's probably not for me. I'm going to look somewhere else. Possibly another Mavic, an Air 2 or a Pro 2. Just wait and see, but the Mini, I think my love affair with you has ended.